by senoritas. Think I'll make do with a salted rim and a lime to boot. Yeah, 75 and sunny, right on the money. Soaking up some heat, hanging out with my honey. The only thing I'm thinking about is what I'm putting in my mouth. It's what I've been jonesing for. Más tacos, por favor. So, hey Jose, please pass the pico. Don Julio, keep chopping that cilantro. Add some avocado, a little cabo wabo. Cause we're about to Pez dispense our next to a shot or two. Yeah, carnitas, corn tortillas, carne asada. Can't wait to see us. Come on over, let's nurse this hangover by filling our cups. Yeah, I can't get enough, so bartender set 'em up, tacos and tequila. Tan legs on the beach, just barely out of reach. Sun-kissed skin has got my head spinning round again. But it's almost time to eat, and every inch of me is staring at that tiki hut, wondering if it's time to munch. Yeah, closer that I get, I'm breaking out in cold sweats. Can't get my mind off you, man, you're hard to forget. That sweet agave nectar sitting prone and center. Me amigos, let's have one more. Más tacos, por favor. So, hey Jose, please pass the pico. Don Julio, keep chopping that cilantro. Add some avocado, a little cabo wabo. Cause we're about to Pez dispense our next to a shot or two. Yeah, carnitas, corn tortillas, carne asada. Can't wait to see us. Come on over, let's nurse this hangover by filling our cups. Yeah, I can't get enough, so bartender set 'em up. I can't get enough, so bartender set 'em up. I can't get enough, bartender set 'em up. Tacos and tequila. Yeah, tacos and tequila. You choose to take a knee for the same reason that I stand. Just remember we both bleed the same three colors from that same American flag. So what's it gonna take for you and I to see that in the end we're on the same team? It's alright, it's okay if you and I don't think the same. But we're all here Where's the smile? Where did it go? Where's the girl